Welcome back, you guys, to VetementsxMi. Today we will be looking at Trisha Paytas and her blinged out Birkins, toilet paper, and stripper heels in Trisha Paytas' $500,000 cosmetic tour. Let's get into it. Welcome to VetementsxMi, and if you love couture, style, and analysis as much as we do here, then go down and like and subscribe so you can get your weekly CSA, PSA hot off the press. Trisha Paytas is a famous YouTuber who is known for her wild adventures, let's just say, and this is her closet tour.
So much toilet paper, like that's my favorite thing to buy. So I'm obsessed with toilet paper when the pandemic hit. I had literally 300 rolls before.
It's definitely gonna be
so everybody was coming to me. They all made fun of me, but I have so much toilet paper. Like that's my favorite thing to buy. So I got that blinged. I got Domino's Pizza, my favorite.
I wonder if they're regular things that are blinged.
And I had these stripper heels, and I
came from a stripper background.
So it's like, you know, where I came from. And then my look for Mango is my favorite, and then the Febreze. This is my closet. It's my first like grown-up closet, so I feel really cool and bougie with it. It costs like $70,000. It's like as expensive to build a closet as it is to have and furnish a closet.
She said like $70,000, like it was so casual. Like nothing. Oh, I just threw $70,000 into making my custom closet. How great is that? It's nothing. Whereas other people, on the other hand, struggle to pay for like an IKEA PAX closet, which costs like $1,000 or something dollars. And here's just $70,000. Nothing.
But I was like, I don't think I can do heels at my wedding. So because my dress is really, really long, and I guess I'll just say it, I'm wearing a black dress at my wedding. I don't know. I wasn't going to say it, but whatever. It's really long and princessy, so I got black sneakers to wear at my wedding. These are going to be my wedding shoes.
That is
and
ugly.
I don't want to show anyone because everyone's going to be like, that's so ugly. Like,
your
posture's going to be up. No one's going to see them. And I'm over 200 pounds and I have bad knees.
When I get married, I want to have flats or something very stylish to wear on my feet. Maybe not flats, but some sort of sandal or flat or at most like an 1.5 inch heel sort of shoe. Not completely flat because that would just kill my arches, but something, you know, relatively comfortable to walk around in all day. That would be nice.
These were my Frenemies sneakers, RIP Frenemies. I got a matching pair for Ethan for our merch shoot that we were supposed to do. It never happened, but yeah, yikes. Growing up, I had like one pair of shoes, so to me, it like represented success when like I needed to prove it to myself. I remember buying each shoe and feeling really proud of myself. So
just buy yourself. No need to prove it. Ew.
Oh, like they're pretty. So like, do I regret buying them? Yes, but do they make me happy and fulfill a purpose in me? Like, yeah, they make me happy to look at them. This was supposed to be my pride jacket. It was designed after Kamala Harris. Not our vice president. I don't know. I think that's our vice president. Kamala. I don't know how to say her name. She wore this at a pride event. I thought it was really iconic. We probably should put more space between the stones because you can't wear it. It's stiff as a board. I could not get in there. And it's fucking heavy. It has to be on 2 hangers. Oh, this was like the ugly Balenciaga shirt that everyone made fun of me for. It's a one-piece. Like,
that's a one-piece?
And it's like so ugly.
Ew.
And it was like, I don't know, it's like a $2,000 shirt, but now people really want this shirt. But yeah, it's like a shirt on a shirt. I don't know. Again, I think like designers are trolling people with money because I spent $2,000 for this ugly thing.
Trisha.
This is more of my favorite things. Just again, stuff that's like aesthetically pleasing for my eye. These are my 2 Birkins. It's my most used and my least favorite. This one was supposed to be caramel, and I turned it out brown or something. That to me is the ugliest purse I own. This one I actually use a lot. That's my little black one. So actually that was a home run.
Wow.
These are my Dolce & Gabbana that I got in New York. These were literally like $8,000 glasses. They were so insane. Again, when I just had money to throw, I don't even know who that person was, but I don't know. I kind of like lived for these. I guess I should wear these more. I finally can see them now, so I probably would wear these on a daily basis now because I'm obsessed. This is like the one thing I don't regret buying in my closet.
Do you
we got the bling Crocs up there. That was very 2019 Trish, and I feel like a lot of people are doing it now, which I loved. And this was a lot of my OnlyFans outfits that made me the most money, so I kind of just had them here to prosper like more money. I think that was my first $1 million, and I was so excited in like a week or something. So I kept all this for like for good luck. And then this is a Sad Boy 2005, my clothing line. This is a collaborative with Marsan brand,
so cute.
and these should be out October 1st. Over here, we have my Blinged up boots. These are the ones I wear on tour. These were these pink ones that I wore, and I love them. All right, so this is sort of like the centerpiece. This is like, I would say these are all my favorite things. So the top is like my pink bling things. These are all my favorite things.
She really likes
these Dolce & Gabbanas, and these are like the first expensive item I bought when I made money on YouTube. That was my first Birkin. So these are like my first, these are like baby's first things, my baby's first shoes. No, but that's my baby's first Birkin, but I never use it because it's kind of dirty. I think it's used because it was like one of a kind, so I don't really like it, but it's my first, so I kept it. So this is the Paris Hilton Birkin that I saw her had. And again, I don't have style of my own, so I was like, oh, she has
There is actually an Instagram
I like
page
it, I just never worn it.
Out bags and accessories. So she could have had that done to it. I don't think they come like that.
What are you going to wear that with? Yeah, Birkins are not cute unless they're bling. Birkins are really so ugly, actually. They're not cute. I don't know why people have them.
You think Birkins are ugly, but why do you buy them? It's because of the status symbol. Honestly, I don't find Birkins at all. I find them rather ugly myself, especially when they have that actual flap that's folded over them the proper way they're supposed to be closed. But no, someone's flap is always open. In addition to that, because I feel like some people I'm sure like them. I never was a Birkin girl. Plus, you can't carry it on your shoulder. Another minus. I would find that immediately annoying, having to carry it on the crook of your arm or holding it in your hands all the time. Couldn't set it down. Couldn't be hands-free. You'd have to try to find a place to set it down, which for a $10,000 plus bag, you do not want to do that.
Meal at McDonald's and had my friend bling it up. My Rolex says, do I ever wear them? No. So they just look pretty in my closet.
What's the point of having it if you don't wear it?
This bird cage, when I was doing OnlyFans, I had so much money. I was just like buying things I didn't care. And then I saw the bill for that. It was like $20,000 for that bird cage. I never used it. I thought it was like maybe going to be $4,000 like a regular Chanel purse. $20,000 and I immediately regretted it. And I still regret it. Ugly thing. Sometimes I think they like just troll people with money. They're like, we're gonna send you a $20,000 like bird cage that doesn't work. I don't know. My style is definitely tacky. I am the definition of money does not buy style or class. I don't use that much of anything in here. So again, I'm just telling people like it's kind of
I think shearling bags are a waste of money because once the fur and shearling gets matted, there's no way you can really reverse that. You can maybe flip it up again a little bit, but after a certain amount of time, shearling just goes, and then your bag is trash. So I would not buy shearling unless you only want to collect it and have it in your closet to carry around the house.
Make you happy, I'll tell you that. Like, it definitely does not make you happy, but, you know, I like to look at it. It's more memories and it's like accomplishing something that I always wanted as a kid, so it's more of that for me. But yeah, material stuff doesn't matter that much. All right, now that you've seen my first closet, let's head on over to my second closet. So now we are in my second closet, and this is kind of like my overflow of stuff. For the past 10 years, I've always had a second bedroom as my closet, so there was no question there was gonna be another one. So a lot of this is just like my nice things. So we'll have to build a third closet for my actual clothes. So this is inspired by like a Tiffany's box because I really loved Tiffany's, and then I wanted it really sparkly, and we didn't know how to make it sparkly enough, so we got like shards of glass and like sprayed it. And I always thought closets.
Oh my god. She got shards of glass and sprayed it on the walls. Yikes. Is that safe? Wouldn't that release like small little particles into the air and then get in your lungs? Like asbestos? That does not sound safe. Trisha, what are you doing?
Islands were so fancy, so I got one. I don't really know the point of how, like, why people get these, but I think they look cool, so I'm excited. They're like, it's like white marble. So this is my wall of like Louis Vuitton, basically. Louis Vuitton is still my favorite designer brand. I think if you're gonna buy a designer purse, Louis Vuitton like never goes out of style, and it's pretty affordable. They're usually less than $5.
Here I see a Louis Vuitton keep all. The Sakura bag with the flowers on it, Jeffree Star had in his closet. And then there's Chanel, 2 Chanel classic flaps, I'm guessing, and then a Chanel Trendy CC. She really doesn't have a lot of Chanel, from what I'm seeing. Gucci Dionysus bags at the bottom, Gucci Marmont camera bag, another Chanel bag with the red flap and black bottom. That's unusual. Oh, and she had a Moschino biker bag, motorcycle bag.
Favorite Louis Vuitton is the Jessica Simpson one. And you could tell that I use this like all the time. This one I literally wore to the bone. I love it. I still love it. I think it's my favorite one. And yeah, this was like the one Jessica Simpson carried around on Newlyweds, and it's probably my favorite. Yeah, like looking at it, it's probably my favorite purse. I love this purse.
Never full.
This was my first designer bag. I think this is a really solid first one. They're classic.
Everyone has
style. And if you just want to have one designer bag, like honestly I thought I was gonna have one and that's it. This is the good one, so I love it. Honestly, purses go up in value usually. I mean, I buy
sick of hearing people say that their first designer bag. Yeah, I understand they can be cheap, but at the same point, I feel like unless you're going somewhere like a business meeting or a beach party or someplace that you carry a lot of stuff, I feel like it's not really practical. At least for me, I don't carry a lot, especially with the mini bag trend now. Kind of realize you don't really need a huge bag to let your things roll around in. Sometimes nicer to have a smaller bag, but I do understand it is nice to have a bigger bag. Anything you can chuck in there, you can. But I feel like it's overrated because everyone has it. And to me, it's like, why don't you have some
more than their original price?
Oh, that was from the last collection.
I don't know what designer brand this is, but I got it because I saw Kate Hudson wearing it in that movie Bride Wars. And I thought it was really oversized, but she was really skinny, so the bag was really big on her, and then it wore it on me, and I was like, oh, that's just the size.
Moschino. Just has the craziest designs.
That pink Chanel bag was from one of my exes. He got it for me 2 days before we broke up, so I love it though, and you can't find that pink anymore.
Yeah, Chanel's pinks are hard to find. If you're looking for one from a specific season.
This is my favorite thing. This is my Danger Days jacket, Gerard Way, a replica. I love this. I've done this. I've worn this in so many photo shoots. I wear this every day, like when it's cool out. This is my favorite jacket. I love it. And then I had this jacket made. It's a replica of Michael Jackson's Beat It, but I cropped it. I don't know. I just like wearing other people's styles. This is Adam Sandler. This is an actual shirt from when Adam Sandler was in The Longest Yard. I love The Longest Yard and I love Adam Sandler, so this is something I wear. Like anything that like has like a remnants of someone like that I love.
At the point
I love to
when
just
you get so rich you don't know what to do with your money, I feel like people just start collecting stuff in their closets that they don't intend to wear just because it has sentimental value to them. I've started seeing this trend with Star and now Trisha Paytas, and I think it's going to become a recurring theme that once you have all your basics that you wear on a regular basis down in your closet and the bare minimum that you need, once you start expanding that to like, oh, things that I'll still wear, but maybe less frequently, and then after that point, the next level just becomes buying things that you'll never wear, but are cool to have in your closet and have sentimental value or something that means something to you, is just the only thing that you can do left with your excess amount of money.
In their essence. I wear this a lot. I actually wear this too. This is the jacket from Happy Gilmore when he's at the end, and I love it so much. I ripped it off the framing. It was like on a frame and stuff, and it's like signed by him. I ripped it off so I could wear it, and I get a lot of use out of it, so. I'm so influenced by pop culture because I have no identity of my own. This is the true thing. I never had an identity growing up. I have an identity disorder, so I think I don't know who I am, so I become other things and other people. Probably why I cosplay and dress up as other people, because that's who I learned from, is movies and TV. I really don't know who I am as a person, so it's sad and exciting at the same time. These are my prescription glasses. I am blind as a bat, so I do wear these for TV and driving. I'm so blind. I don't wear contacts. I can't get anything in my eye. Like I can't even eyelash curl, so I'm blind. I can't see people's faces until like you're up here, like really close to me. So it's kind of good to live that way, actually. I like living in a blurry world. I should get LASIK, but
Trisha, you have money to buy a $70,000 closet upgrade, but you don't have money to spend on LASIK, which is only like $3K per eye, with the money that you spent on that closet, you could have spent on 2 of your eyeballs that you need for the rest of your life, which arguably you may need the closet for the rest of your life too, but your eyeballs are so important. Like, your sense of sight is one of the most joyous things that you can have. Like, without it, you couldn't see all of this in your closet. We wouldn't be able to see any of it either. So, really should think about investing in LASIK.
Muppets or necessarily that character. I don't even know what that character is. I just think it's really cute. Is it Gonzo? That's his name?
I never watched the Muppets.
Oh my god, why do they call him Gonzo? Yeah, I don't watch Muppets, but you know, they're cool. The pink slippers I wear the most. I usually wear these on sets of my music video, and these slippers I usually wear when I'm in my closet, because if my feet are dirty, I'll just like put these on because I don't want my carpets to like I'm like that person. These are hard to find. I had KFC Crocs and Cars Crocs. And I wear these a lot. You can see they're dirty on the bottom. But I love these. These light up. They're Lightning McQueen. I got these off StockX for like $1,000. Like, I'm sure the retail price was like $60. Oh, I didn't show these, but these are my favorite things. This is my favorite thing maybe in my whole world. My Chemical Romance Gerard Way sneakers. These are custom. It has 3 tiers.
Yeah, she's got money for days because she's just like... The Cars Croc probably only cost $60, but she paid like $1,000, like, in a snap without even thinking twice about it on StockX. Now that is the definition of wealthy.
And say so long, good night. I might actually wear these for my wedding because I'm going to walk down to the aisle to Helena, and these are Helena shoes. So maybe I'll wear these actually. I totally forgot about them. But yeah, I like that it has his face painted on there. And yeah, maybe I'll wear them. I like those. And then I have another Broadway pair of sneakers. These are Dear Evan Hansen, and the movie's coming out September 24th. I'm not sponsored. I just love them. And then this is from...
I know a lot of people get their shoes custom painted, especially their Air Force. Like, a lot of people I know will just buy plain Nike white Air Forces and then just get them custom painted to whatever fits their personality. So anyway, it's cool that she has that because it kind of shows her personality.
And Mike Faust, who was the original Connor. All right, so those are my closet tours. I hope you enjoyed. It's a lot of sparkly. Just know money can't buy happiness, and it can't buy...
She has like little Tiffany bags and gift boxes, and even that bag over there is Tiffany blue next to her Tiffany blue wall. She really likes that color.
Either, so just, you know, enjoy it, earn it, but it's not everything, and spend it on what you love. That's it. That's my closet. Those are my words of wisdom. I don't know, you didn't ask for that, so bye.
And that is Trisha Paytas' closet. Let me know if you liked this video. Leave a like and comment down what you thought was the most interesting in this video, or just comment where you saw the smiley face in this video as well. And if you do, I'll give you a shout out in my next video if you're the first person to shout it out in the comments down below. I love you guys all. Take care. Bye.